Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video series, we are going to learn the fundamentals of Salesforce, how Salesforce is used in the daily software development, and also I am going to cover the advanced concepts in the upcoming videos. So please subscribe to my channel so that you'll be up to date on my video uploads. So in this video, we are going to learn what Salesforce is, what is a CRM system, and what is a cloud-based system. So let's begin. Salesforce. Okay. So what is Salesforce? Right. So Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM management system. Okay. As the description says, it's a cloud-based CRM system. Okay. CRM system. So in order to understand Salesforce, we need to understand these two things. We need to understand what a cloud-based system is and what is a CRM system is. Okay, so let's understand what a cloud-based system is. To understand what a cloud system is or cloud computing, let's take an example. Let's assume that we had a shop. Okay, and this was when we did not have computers. And we had lot of customers coming in and coming out of our shop, and we wanted to maintain that information, right? So how we used to do it? We used to keep a register, right? We used to store information in a book about the customers and the amount of sales we did. This had lot of disadvantages, like we might lose the book, there might be a fire accident. So there are a lot of disadvantage in this. So then we got computers, right? When computers came in, we were able to store information in hard drives, right? Even this had few disadvantage, like if we had an electronic fault or we had a fire accident, we would lose the information, right? So now the big companies used to have servers. These used to store information in companies. So you might ask question, do the servers not lose their information? Yes, they might lose the information. That's why they keep the backup servers, right? So these servers used to have a copy of the information. So when this server did not work, they used to run this server. So, so this kept their data. They had multiple servers to keep their data. So now to implement this server system, we needed a lot of maintenance, right? It was very cost effective. The cost was high to maintain. We needed software updates. We need to maintain the system. So there were a lot of problems. So in order for a middle class company or a middle size company or a small size company, it was very difficult for them to implement this, right? So then came a cloud computing systems, right? So what is cloud computing system? Cloud computing is nothing but cloud computing, right? Cloud computing is nothing but sharing the IT resources over an internet. Okay. So, so whatever the servers we needed used to store on a cloud. The servers used to be on the cloud, and we can access this cloud over internet. So we as a company did not have to worry about servers or updates or any software updates or the maintenance of these servers, because the company, the cloud computing the software providers used to take care of that. So we did not have to worry about that. So we had to only worry about our business implementations, right? So this is the only thing we had to think about as a company, right? So we understood what cloud computing is. So Salesforce, as we previously talked, it's a CRM and also cloud computing. Now we understood what cloud computing is. Now let's understand what a CRM is. Okay, CRM means a customer relationship management. As the name says, it's a relationship management. It's a relation software for customers and the company. Okay, so for this one also I will give us I'll take a small example. Okay, let's assume that we have a motorcycle company. Okay, and we manufacture bikes. So in order to successfully sell our bike, we need to do few things, right? First one, we need to market our bike, right? New product. We need to then sell the product. Third, we need to provide service. This is basically a life cycle of any product management product company. Okay, any product company. So in order to do this life cycle, we need a system, and that system is called as a CRM management system. This system provides us to communicate with the customer from marketing to service and lot other stuffs. Okay, we can learn that. So after this CRM systems will help us communicate with regularly with customers. For example, let's take an example that we started marketing our bike. So in order to market, we can do many things, like we can advertise, we can do campaigns, we can do a lot of stuff, right? So let's assume that we are campaigning in a mall, right? And we have a customer coming in. He is interested in our product, right? He gives his information. We take his information. We take his name, phone number, and many other information. So he becomes a potential customer, right? He is a potential customer. Or we can also, in Salesforce term, we can call him as a lead. So in Salesforce, we call him as a lead, right? We can call we will learn about lead, campaign, and everything in upcoming videos as we go into Salesforce. But as a basic understanding, he is just a lead. Once he is a lead, he now buys our bike. So we sold, right, that bike. So this lead becomes a customer. He is not lead anymore, he is a customer. So he is using our bike, and now he thinks there is a problem. He contacts us. Okay, he contacts us, and we are going to provide him service. So in order to do this, we need a system, and that system is simply called as a CRM management system. So we can simply describe it as CRM management system is a system which allows a customer relationship for the potential customer and also to the current customer. Okay, so this is the basic concepts of Salesforce. Now let's understand why Salesforce. Since we understood what is Salesforce, right, let's understand why Salesforce, right? Why do companies invest in Salesforce? Why are they going to choose Salesforce as their software development system? Okay, first one is cost. Second one is time. As I explained in my um, as I was explaining, since the servers are maintained by Salesforce, right? As in cloud computing, the servers are maintained by Salesforce. The company should will not worry about maintaining the servers, Salesforce will take care of it, right? So there is lot of cost cutting there, right? So you don't have to buy servers, you don't have to buy software, you just have to work on your business, right? You just need the business implementation. So this solves cost problem. Then the second one is time. Since you are not worrying about the software requirements, you just have to work on business implementation, you reduce time. You can literally develop a whole project in 6 months in Salesforce. And this is because the Salesforce provides lot of inbuilt applications for sales, marketing and service, so that within minimal customization you can build a software. There are terms that we use in Salesforce usually called as customization and configuration. We will learn about this in the upcoming videos. Okay, so Salesforce reduces cost and time for a middle-sized companies or a large-sized companies, any companies that are using Salesforce, right? It is very easy to use Salesforce because we have click-based uh, tools that will help us to develop software just by drag and drop. There are a lot of other tools that will ease the software development. Okay, so there are many large companies that are using Salesforce. For example, American Express, Nippon, Deloitte, PepsiCo. So there are a lot of other companies that use Salesforce. So I hope you like my video. This was the basic introduction of what Salesforce is, what CRM system, and what cloud-based system is. Please like my video and comment. If you have any question, please comment it out. And I will be posting more videos in upcoming videos. I'll explain more about Salesforce in deep. So I am going to, in my next video, I am going to create a dev org, a Salesforce org, and I'm going to explain a complete structure of Salesforce. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.